Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how can you e-sign your PDF file. First of all, you have to visit the website Tinywow. In this website you can see there are a lot of tools available. You can split your PDF, merge, compress, e-sign, protect, or anything you want to. There are other options as well: video, image, file, and others. But in this video I'm going to share with you how can you e-sign. From here you can find the e-sign PDF, or from here you can see the tool available. Click on e-sign PDF. From here you can upload or drag and drop the files. What I will do is select the file and upload it. Here when you have to just click and you can type your name, type, or you can just sign. I'm going to type techno and sign here as something like this, and you can drag and drop them here on your canvas like this. It depends on your file, what kind of file, what the content is in your file. You can also add the date and the timing as well. You can see here. After that, just click OK, and it is must to fill this reCAPTCHA. After that you will get the download link. You can just download the file, and here you can see the signatures and the text. Also you can find out the date and the time as well. That's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date for amazing tools like this.